Naghahanap ka ba ng memorable na pangregalo para sa iyong loved ones? Meron tayo yan na tiyak na inyong mapupusuan tulad na lamang nitong pop-up 3D figurine business. Alamin na natin yan dito sa Negosyo Tayo.
Can you tell us more about the business? I believe bago lang kayo sa business industry.
Itong nakikita nyo sa harap namin is actual people, actual situations. So kung ano itsura nila, we provide those figurines after the scanning.
Wow, so can you take us through the process? Kasi I believe very tedious din yung proseso sa paggawa ng mga figurines na to.
Actually, we have a device. Na yung device na yon, dinadala namin sa event. Tapos, of course, it elevates the event. Then after, tatayo yung subject doon kung sino yung i-scan. Then of course, mag-rotate yung gamit. After na makukuha na yung 3D scan. Sa market, I think hindi naman siya bago na. Pero the unique with us is yung aming pagka-print is hindi na siya resin or pagka-print sa kanya as is na yung kanyang mga kulay. Napakatibay niya, ma'am eh. So hindi siya basta-basta nababasag, na durable test na namin siya, hindi siya nasisira basta-basta.
Siyempre, when it comes to affordability, alam natin na hindi naman super expensive but a bit pricey for the Filipino people, lalo na dun sa mga on a budget. So, how do you strategize to be able to promote your brand?
We understand yung price niya is hindi siya nasa cheap na presyo, pero siguro ang gusto namin iparating is more of the experience, more of the memory na pwede naming maihatid. We are technically selling the experience, the memories, which of course, I think much more valuable than the figure itself.
This is creating more memories together with your loved ones. And sabi ko nga, paano yung mommy ko? She passed away and I wanted, a memory of her na I can keep. So this is something that we can actually consider. Itong Relief 3D, which you can actually make it as, figurine, parang pwede mo i-display para yung mga loved ones mo always close to your heart. Are there any challenges na experience ninyo?
We are the first in the market of being the pop-up 3D. Ibig sabihin, sa event, we go there, kahit saan yan, then we set up all the equipment. So, the challenges of course is logistics. For example, may scan kami na bata, we need to make it, mag-steal yung bata para makuhanan siya ng maayos yung kanyang copy.
Bakit ba importanteng pumasok ang mga Pilipino sa pagnenegosyo?
Yes, I think hindi lang siya importante sa economy dahil para tumaas, ma-elevate yung ating livelihood, but importante rin siya sa personal level. Na bilang tao, you get to improve yourself, you get to be more better, and I think that's more important in any individual naman.
Huwag kang matakot mag-fail. Mas nakakatakot kung hindi mo susubukan. Yan po ang aral na ibinahagi sa atin ng Sales Director na si J.M. Montojo. Patuloy lamang kami magbabahagi sa inyo ng marami pang business stories, mga kanegosyo. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!